Not that we can do much.
Not that we can do anything, but this is something we can do.
Go shopping.
Essential items only. So first time we ventured anywhere apart from work, we're on our way. We're in. Past security.
Trolley cleaned, hands cleaned.
The bog roll crisis is over. Look at this one. Hey.
Kitchen roll.
Someone's been working overtime. Loads and loads of them. The world is saved. Empty. Oh, I'll do it then. Life support. Life support. What's happening? It's bigger than you. After you finish with it, you can make it into some sort of bikini. Have we got essentials?
We look desperate. We aren't out of the shop for ages.
Come on,
Ugh.
we done.
I don't know.
This, David, is just for you. Look at that bad boy. We are done. Didn't she do well?
Felt like I've done a trolley dash.
You have done a trolley dash. Where's Dale? The chaos that is Tesco. Shopping done, good stuff. Time to go home. Are you away?
Yep.
Play Dance Monkey.
Okay, let's hear Dance Monkey by Tones and I.